Nicole "Snooki" Polizzi has revealed that doctors have found cancerous cells in her cervix, a deeply personal and frightening health scare that she says has completely shaken her world and forced her to confront fears she admits she ignored for years. The reality TV star, best known for becoming a cultural phenomenon on Jersey Shore, shared the news herself in an emotional social media video, speaking directly to fans with raw honesty as she explained how a routine medical follow-up turned into a moment that stopped her cold. Snooki explained that this discovery didn't come out of nowhere. For years, she has dealt with abnormal pap smear results, something many women experience at least once in their lives. But in her case, the issue didn't simply go away. She revealed that doctors had been closely monitoring her cervix over time, repeatedly urging her to come back for additional testing because the abnormal cells kept showing up. Like many people, she admitted that fear, anxiety, and the stress of life sometimes made her delay appointments she knew she shouldn't postpone. Eventually, doctors ordered more extensive testing, including a colposcopy and a biopsy, procedures designed to take a closer look at cervical tissue when something doesn't look right. When the results came back, Snooki said she received a call from her doctor that instantly filled her with dread. According to her, the doctor told her the results were not looking great and explained that cancerous cells were found on the top of her cervix. Hearing those words was terrifying, and she didn't try to hide that fear from her audience. She openly admitted that she was scared, emotional, and overwhelmed. Even as someone who has lived much of her adult life in the public eye, this was different. This wasn't a headline about partying, relationships, or reality TV drama. This was about her health, her future, and her life. She shared that the next step for her doctors is a cone biopsy, a surgical procedure done under anesthesia that removes a cone-shaped piece of tissue from the cervix so doctors can determine how serious the situation really is. That procedure will reveal whether the cancerous cells are precancerous, contained, or something more invasive that requires aggressive treatment. Snooki explained that one of the most frightening possibilities doctors discussed with her was the chance that she could need a hysterectomy, a surgery that removes the uterus. While she has already had 3 children and has said she is done expanding her family, the idea of losing that part of her body is still emotionally devastating. She spoke about how, as a woman, the thought of a hysterectomy carries a heavy emotional weight, regardless of whether you plan to have more children or not. It represents loss, vulnerability, and a reminder that something is seriously wrong. She became visibly emotional while talking about this possibility, explaining that even though she knows she has her children already, the reality of being told a hysterectomy might be necessary is heartbreaking. She shared that the thought of not having that choice anymore, even if she doesn't plan to use it, is what hurts the most. Still, she made it clear that her priority is staying healthy and alive for her family. She emphasized that she will do whatever it takes to be there for her children and to ensure she has a long future with them. One of the most powerful parts of Snooki's message was her honesty about regret. She admitted that she waited too long at times to follow up on medical appointments because she was scared of the results. She acknowledged that anxiety can make people avoid doctors, especially when it comes to uncomfortable or invasive exams. But now she says she wishes she had listened sooner and wants other women to learn from her experience instead of repeating it. Using her platform, Snooki urged women not to ignore their health and not to put off pap smears or follow-up appointments. She stressed that cervical cancer often shows no symptoms in its early stages, and that routine screenings are often the only way to catch problems before they become life-threatening. Her message was clear and urgent. If your doctor tells you to come back for another test, do it. Don't wait. Don't let fear stop you from protecting your health. The reaction to Snooki's revelation was immediate and overwhelming. Fans flooded her comments with messages of love, support, prayers, and encouragement. Many women shared their own stories of abnormal pap smears, biopsies, and cancer scares, thanking her for speaking openly about something that is often kept private. Fellow reality stars and friends also reached out publicly, reminding her that she is not alone and that she has a massive support system behind her. This moment has marked a shift in how fans see Snooki. For years, she was known as the loud, carefree party girl who helped define an era of reality television. But over time, audiences have watched her grow into a mother, a wife, and now a woman facing a serious health battle with courage and vulnerability. Her willingness to share such an intimate and frightening experience has resonated deeply, especially with women who see themselves in her fear and uncertainty. Cervical cancer and precancerous cervical changes are far more common than many people realize. Doctors often detect abnormal cells long before they become dangerous, but only if regular screenings are done. Snooki's story has reignited conversations online about women's health, medical anxiety, and the importance of listening to doctors even when the news might be scary. Her experience highlights how easy it is to delay care and how dangerous that delay can be. As she waits for her upcoming procedure and further answers, Snooki has made it clear that she plans to keep her fans updated. She has said she wanted to be honest because she knows her story could encourage someone else to book an appointment, follow up on test results, or stop ignoring warning signs. She understands that sharing her fear publicly might be uncomfortable, but she believes it's worth it if it helps even one person. This chapter in Snooki's life is still unfolding, and there are many unknowns ahead. What is clear, however, is that she is facing this moment with bravery, transparency, and a determination to put her health first. Her story serves as a sobering reminder that no one is immune to serious health scares, and that prevention and early detection truly matter. As fans continue to rally around her, Snooki's message stands as both a warning and a call to action. Take your health seriously. Don't postpone appointments. Don't let fear control your decisions. And most importantly, advocate for yourself when something doesn't feel right. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more celebrity updates just like this.